friends, myself Aarya Patel. Hello friends, myself Trivedi. Today we make a story of the princess and her castle. The kit we used is Story Starter Kit. In this huge marvelous castle, the princess lives with her sister. This is the entrance where the members of the royal family and the people come to visit. These are the two policemen who are standing in the front. Now, in the inside of the castle, there are pet dogs of the princess and her sister. This is the bedroom of the princess and her sister. This is the bed, this is the night lamp, this is the table, this is the crown, and here there is a box where the princess and her sister keeps their valuable things. This is the bathroom. This is the basin, this is the hot tap, and this is the cold tap. This is the bucket and the tap where the princesses can bath. This is the aquarium where there are some cute fish who are inside the aquarium. These are the two main chairs for the princess and her sister. The princess is holding the golden frog and the frog in her hand. These are the two boxes of pearls and valuable jewelries. This is the dining room. There are some chairs and stools so that the princess and her sister can have their delicious meals, and sometimes the king and the queen come to visit their palace. This is the table on which there are some food items and how many varieties are there on the table. This is the night lamp and this is the flower vase. Thank you. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.